here with us now. Sergio, are things going to warm up a little bit?
Well, it looks like it's going to be a very cold night tonight, but then temperatures should rebound back into the 70s through tomorrow. Let's take a look outside. That's Sky 5 Weslaco. Beautiful image. You can see all the way through McAllen. You can see Topgolf there, and then also the Chase and Benson Tower. But temperatures across the region right now in the 60s, 62 degrees Brownsville, 69 in McAllen, and 66 in Harlingen, Edinburg, 65 here in Weslaco. It's shaped up to be a pretty nice day, but through the rest of the overnight hours, we do expect those temperatures to get a little bit cooler. Those are current temperatures, but it's going to get cool because of radiational cooling. We're going to experience calm winds, clear skies that allows the heat to escape into space. Thus, we see ground cooling and temperatures are pretty cold for the overnight hours. This is what we can expect as far as the evening goes. Mainly clear skies at 7 p.m. We're still seeing some clouds, especially right along the coast, and then we'll see those skies completely clear out by 9-11 p.m. and then we'll see temperatures dipping down into the 40s. We'll take a complete look at your forecast coming up. And temperatures for the next 12 hours will continue to drop. We'll see those temperatures from the 60s drop into the 50s later on this evening, eventually the 40s. We could see some 30s. Details coming up after the break. We saw some rain here yesterday, but nothing like that. It's left us with beautiful skies. Check this image out. This is live from South Padre Island. Temperatures there 59 degrees. Those winds out of the north at 4 miles per hour, but just a beautiful evening at South Padre Island. Temperatures across the valley right now in the 60s, 62 in Weslaco, it's 69 McAllen and in Rio Grande City. We did hit the 70s in those parts of the valley this afternoon, but notice it is a little bit cooler along the coast, and that's because of the ocean water. The ocean water is right now in the 50s and 60s, so it does feel nice and cool at the coast. And winds have calmed down. We did see winds gusting earlier to about 20 miles per hour, but right now we're seeing those winds 5 to 12 miles per hour across the region. The winds coming out of the northwest, so we're still fueling in these cooler temperatures through the overnight hours. And with the clear and calm conditions, we're expecting radiational cooling to take effect, and we'll see low temperatures in the lower 40s across much of the region. 30s possible in some areas like Rio Grande City, maybe north of Edinburg and rural Hidalgo County, and also in parts of Willacy County could hit some 30s there through the overnight hours. Again, wind chills could dip as low as 38 and 45 degrees for the morning hours tomorrow. It's also very dry out there. 37 is your dew point. So yes, very dry, and I think we'll stay there for at least the next couple of days. It'll be nice at least here in the Rio Grande Valley. Look at that, very dry Monday, also on Tuesday, and then we start to see that humidity increase by the latter part of the week. This is Wednesday. Humidity is now on the comfy zone and eventually gets to humid. Dew points in the upper 60s, maybe lower 70s by Thursday, and I think that's probably the warmer days of the week. We'll see those temperatures back in the 80s. So here's a look at Future Track. We're showing clear skies through the overnight hours. Again, the radiational cooling will happen, so it's going to be nice and cold in the morning. You'll want to bundle up, but then during the afternoon, again, one of those things where you take the jacket off and you experience the nice calmer conditions. Temperatures back in the lower 70s for tomorrow afternoon. Not many clouds tomorrow. We will see some try to sneak in during the afternoon, and there'll be high clouds, so it's not going to be like overcast conditions. So we're expecting temperatures to start in the 40s. They'll climb back into the lower 70s during the afternoon. Partly cloudy skies by 2 and 4 p.m. So here's a look at your high temperatures for tomorrow. 71 degrees along the I-69E corridor. Then you see 72 Edinburg, McAllen, 73 for Rio Grande City. So overall, it's going to be a very nice day. The winds will be calm too, so pretty good outdoor weather. Here's a look at your rain chances. 0% for Monday all the way through Thursday. We saw those dew points very low, so I don't really think we'll see any precipitation over the next few days. High pressure just takes over our region. But then a cold front approaches our area for next weekend, and we could see some showers develop before and after the cold front. So we have a 20% chance of rain Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. There's also a little disturbance in the area, so that'll try to enhance our rain chances. Right now, we're a little uncertain on the timing of that cold front. It looks like maybe Saturday morning, but on the bay right now, looking a little breezy out there, 10 to 20 miles per hour. There is small craft exercise caution at this point. So for tonight, 43, we're expecting wind chills in the morning, pretty cold. in the upper 30s, lower 40s. High temperatures tomorrow, 71 degrees, mostly sunny, high clouds in the afternoon. So it's going to look like that in the back. And then we see that First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast temperatures to start the day again in the 40s, 70s during the afternoon. And I think we'll do that again on Tuesday, also on Wednesday. Slightly warmer temperatures in the upper 70s. We'll see more clearer conditions. And then for Thursday, those temperatures back in the 80s. The cold front comes through and temperatures knock down into the 70s for Saturday and Sunday. And that is a complete look at your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Chris.